daddy, 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 daddy.
What is it, Rosie?
Can I have my own American flag to burn?
Definitely not. And how dare you even think about burning the flag?
But, I want it.
Too bad. The answer is no, and that's final.
I said I wanted it. I am your daughter, and you will listen to me.
Rosie, you better calm down. Otherwise, I will ground you.
That's it, asshole. You have crossed the line.
I got to get out of here.
I throw tantrums sometimes, but that's okay. Oh no, the house!
Rosie, I cannot believe you threw a big tantrum. You are so fucking grounded for 11 million years. Go to your room now.
Wah, 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 wah.
Hold on, I'm pausing this video. So this video is called Rosie Throws a Big Tantrum Grounded. Well, sometimes I throw tantrums sometimes, but that's okay. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So goodbye now, see you tomorrow, and have a good day, and have a good summer vacation, and have fun.